do not look good right now. Hi, sorry if I look a mess right now. I mean, my nose is just permanently red during cold season. Today I really wanted to make some art out of my paint pens, which if you watched my last video, by the way, you would know that I got them for Christmas. Yeah, I don't really have any other justifications for making this video, so without further ado, let's get started. My nose is ready. So I'm just going to close my eyes and pick 3 colors. I'm just gonna turn the box a couple of times. And no, I didn't cheat and organize this in a certain way. So there's the first marker, and it's definitely a blue, because I can predict the future like that. This is the next one, and it's definitely red. No, I have a feeling it's purple. I'm gonna go with purple. Yellow. I don't know. These are the 3 color combos. Oh my gosh, this was actually yellow, and this was actually purple. I think I'm gonna test these out. I tried to make a few sketches and they didn't turn out so well. I tried to use landscape, but it just looks ugly. The thing that I really do like is using the silver as some sort of jewelry. So I'll probably go for something like this, but more realistic, sort of, if you know what I'm saying, because I don't really know what I'm saying either. While you guys were out partying, I made this sketch like a responsible adult. I didn't really know where to start with this, so I just dove right into the earring and coloring it silver like I originally planned. I didn't want to color the entire skin area with yellow because that would most definitely make her look like one of the Simpsons. So I used the yellow very sparingly and only in shadowed areas. The purple was actually perfect for the hair, but that was only until I decided to layer yellow on top of that for like the sake of color incorporation or whatever, and it turned poop color, and I'm not a fan. As of right now, this is what I have. I could say that I hate it, but that would kind of be an understatement. Here is where I might just commit treason and use a black marker. I feel like this could really save it, but at the same time I want to stick to the color scheme. Screw it, I'm using black. I would say that the black outlines was a double-edged sword. I said the word sword weird. Anyways, the outlines really helped to define her features and make the colors pop a bit more, but it also made her look more like a Simpson. And I really don't know how I feel about that. Hey, I needed to film an intro, but I got too sick to get out of bed. I finally finished with my drawing. I kind of hate it, but I still love it. It's like an ugly newborn, but I can't help loving it because I'm its mother. If you would like to see more art videos from me, I do have an art playlist on my channel, and I will link that over here. And also, please comment some thoughts or any ideas for future videos that you have. I like to read your comments a lot, and I try to reply to every single one of them. Oh my gosh, I just realized I probably have a list because I'm wearing my retainers. As always, stay beautiful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!